Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sudha. In today's video, I'm going to create very easy and quick Durga Puja makeup look. For this look, I have chosen very neutral colors so that you can use it with any color and outfit. So if you are ready, let's begin. I'm starting with prepping my skin. So first I'm using vitamin C face serum from Cosmos by Bewakoof. I'm massaging it gently for few minutes. For moisturizing my lips, I'm using raspberry lip balm from Body Shop. Next I'm using moisturizer plus primer from Bobbi Brown to prime my skin. For the foundation, I'm using HD foundation stick from Color Essence and I'm in shade beige. I'm using a wet beauty sponge to blend it out. Don't forget to apply the foundation to your neck so that your face and neck both look in the same color. For the concealer, I am using full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown and I am in shade Warm Honey. I am applying the concealer to my usual areas wherever I have patches or I have any pigmentation, and to the areas where I want to highlight. For blending my concealer, I am using my finger because it doesn't absorb any product and it blends the concealer very well. Now I am applying the loose powder to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer. It helps to lock the product in place. Next, I am using the same concealer to my eyelids to create a base. And again, I am blending using my finger. For setting the concealer on place, I am using pressed powder from Color Bar. For defining my eyebrows, I am using eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild and I am in shade dark brown. I am only filling the sparse area to make it look as natural as possible and then brush it to make sure there is no harsh line left. I am using a light brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and this is going to be my transition shade. I am using a precise brush to define my crease line and for that I am using a dark brown shade. Now using the same blending brush to blend everything out. Next I am using the black eyeshadow to my outer V to create a smoky effect. With the help of a small angled brush, I am creating the crease using the same concealer. While creating the crease, you need to be patient, use very small strokes and use a very little amount of the concealer on the brush at once for the better results. Now I am packing it with a golden shade from the palette Lakme 9 to 5 which is in shade Desert Rose. Now I am using the same brush which I have used for creating my outer V to make the transition more smooth. Keep blending and keep adding more colors until you get the desired result. Next I am using a pink shade to the center of my eyelids, which again I am going to blend with other two colors. Next I am using the concealer to remove excess eyeshadow and it also helps to look it sharp. If you want you can stop right here, but I am using a golden glitter over it from the palette Glam 21. Using the same brown shade to my lower lash line and blending it. For the eyeliner I am using Drama Gel eyeliner from Maybelline. Now I'm using the same brown shade on the top of the eyeliner to make it look more smoky. Now curling my eyelashes using eyelash curler from Vega and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Color Bar, and I'm applying it to both my upper and lower eyelashes. For contouring my face, I am using cream contour from Stay Quirky and I am in shade dark brown. I am contouring my usual areas like my nose, my cheekbones, my jawline. For blending, I am using an angled contour brush. To mattify the look, I am using pressed powder from Color Bar and I am in shade Nude Beige. The blush that I am using is from Color Bar and I am using the shade Pink Blush. For the highlighter, I am using Metallic Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and I am using the shade Molten Gold. The lip pencil that I am using is from Color Essence and I am in shade Burgundy. For the lipstick, I am using non-transfer lip color from Insight and I am using the shade Romance. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Most important thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update. So this is the final look that I have created so far. Isn't it simple and gorgeous? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in a brand new video.